Hello, good day, guys, and welcome. It's been a while. So, as you guys all know, WAEC Result is out, and also checking of WAEC has been made easier for you guys, which you can easily do it at home by yourself now. So, in this short video, I will teach you how you can also get your number to check your WAEC results from house without paying anybody. So let's go. So firstly, you go to this website www.waec.org. That's it. Enter. So as you can see, it's asking you if this is your first time. Something like this will come out. You go as certified candidates, just a pair. Then here you come here, you tap on serial number and pin. So tap on it, you allow it to load. So you can see right here, it's saying access your certificate. So here you just tap your exam year, let's say 2026, and you tap on by candidate. Here you tap your candidate number, which is always 10. So let's use this wrong ID, by the way, 11 here. So let's assume you all fill this, right? So you tap on search and it asks for your email. So let's say this and phone number. Let's say we are using this. All right. So once you tap on send OTP, they should send you OTP, and once you receive the OTP, they will generate the serial ID for you and your PIN. So after you have gotten the PIN, so we are going to the next step, which will be, mind you, this is just a sample, so this was not an original data for me to use, so we're just going to leave it right here. Now let's head over to the WAEC, the actual place where we're doing the checking. So you head over to this website, www.waecdirect.org. waecdirect.org. Yeah, this is it. So you'll see something like this. So here you just input back your exam number. As you all know, in WAEC, that's the most important thing. That's your identificator. So here you choose your year. You can see you choose your year and your candidate, private school if it's private school, or candidate result, or any candidate result. So here you tap on PIN. That's what you generated from there. That was what was generated for him. So the serial number as well, you tap on it. So, and once you're done, you cross-check everything. Though if you have any error, they will let you know that something is wrong. So, and you tap on submit. So once you tap on submit, you should have your WAEC result, something like this. And congratulations, and wish you all best of luck.